Tired of reading boring grammar books and still freezing when it is time to speak? Forget the rules for a moment. Today we are doing a practical exercise toward fluency. Sarah and I will simulate the 5 most common everyday situations in English. Just listen, read the subtitles, and repeat with us. Let's start. First, the absolute basics. Hello. Good morning.
Hi. Good morning to you too.
How are you doing today?
I am doing great. Thank you. And how are you?
I am very well. Thanks for asking. By the way, my name is David. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. It is nice to meet you. David.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Excellent. Now, let's talk about food. I am getting hungry. What is your favorite food, Sarah?
My favorite food is pasta. I love Italian food.
That sounds delicious. I prefer burgers and fries.
Do you want to go to a restaurant for lunch?
Yes, that is a great idea. I would like to order a cheeseburger and a bottle of water. What would you like to order?
I would like a chicken salad and a cup of coffee. Please.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about directions. We need to find the restaurant first. Excuse me, Sarah. Do you know where the restaurant is?
Yes. Go straight down the street, and then turn left at the corner.
Is it far from here?
No, it is very close. It is next to the bank, across from the park.
So, I go straight and turn left. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. You can not miss it.
Very good. Now, let's talk about prices. After a good meal, we need to pay. Excuse me, how much is this meal?
The total is $25. Please.
Here is my credit card. Do you accept cards?
Yes. We accept cash and credit cards. Thank you.
I also want to buy a souvenir before we leave. How much is that t-shirt?
That t-shirt is $15. It is on sale today.
That is very cheap. I will take it. Great job. Now, let's talk about time. We have a train to catch. Excuse me, what time is it?
It is 2:30 in the afternoon.
Oh, no. I am late. What time does the train leave?
The train leaves at 3 o'clock sharp. You still have 30 minutes.
That is a relief. Thank you for telling me.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
Goodbye, Sarah. See you next time.
Bye. Take care.
And that is it. Did you manage to follow along? This is real-life English. Save this video to practice later and follow for more. See you next time.